This posture is a bit like standing separate leg forward fold. It's all about improving the health of your hips and your ability to hinge from the hips while keeping a straight neutral spine, which, as I keep banging on about, is a movement that everyone should seek to maintain as we age. While sitting on the floor, legs together, you are to hinge from the hips, keeping your spine perfectly straight. It's all about stability and control. Seated forward fold. First, bring your feet together, legs straight, although I prefer to have a slight bend in my knees. And then we have to pre-open our structure. Take a deep inhale, and on the exhale, drive your chest up and pull open the spine and open the shoulders. Okay, that's your starting point. Now take the inhale, and on the exhale, go. Drive your chest up away from the hip and hip hinge, driving the belly button down, lengthening the spine, maintaining a straight, neutral spine. And then hold that structure for an inhale, maintaining the integrity of that structure. And then exhale, go again. Pull your chest away from the hip, lengthen the spine and hip hinge more. Again, bringing the belly button down. Hold that again for another inhale. Exhale, go again. Pull your chest up, drive open the spine and hip hinge a little bit more, opening up the shoulders and the hips. Exhale, change, pull your spine open as you come back up. You must never use gravity to come down. To correctly engage your hip flexors as you hip hinge, focus on driving the belly button down to the floor while keeping your upper body up. Remember, as with all postures, you're seeking to enhance the stability and control of the movement. Using the weight of your upper body to hinge from the hip is extremely neurologically passive, which will not get you anywhere. Typically in this posture, you're told to grab your feet and use arm strength to pull the body down. As I've mentioned before, never use arm strength to pull the body into any structure. Such a mindset is neurologically passive, and in this case, you end up not engaging the hips flexors at all. Pulling down using arm strength simply uses the spine as a crowbar to somehow force more hip rotation. Such action will damage the intervertebral disc in the spine, particularly the lower spine. Also, you will never engage the hip flexors to improve hip rotation. Pulling down turns everything into a car crash. Don't go there, ever.